The corruption trial of former President Jacob Zuma and French arms company Thales is due to get underway tomorrow. Zuma and his co-accused may not be in the dock, as tomorrow's proceedings are expected to concentrate on setting an actual trial date. Dr. Justin Ramages is an attorney. He joins us now to discuss what we can expect. Justin, I guess this is one of those cases where Advocate Mthunzi Maga likes the saying, the wheels of justice turn slowly. And they've been turning mighty slowly in this case.
That's correct. I think we've waited since the commencement of the new millennium to get this matter underway. The first time it arose was in 1999, and through a lot of legal actions that went through directly or indirectly through all the previous directors of public prosecutions and acting directors of public prosecutions. And here we are, the 23rd of June, about to commence a trial date.
Let's talk about then what we can expect tomorrow. It's going to be a postponement. The state says this case should be set down for 2021. Former President Jacob Zuma's lawyers don't seem to agree when we look at what they've written in terms of how he's eager to be in court as soon as possible.
Yeah, that is the position, but I think we also have to remember there were two applications and one direct application to the Constitutional Court by Thales, where they actually applied for a permanent stay of prosecution, arguing that there was political meddling, and then there was this narrative that they wanted their day in court. But I think, look, after 20 years, I mean, our democracy has been around 26 years. Of those 26 years, 20 of those years have been wrapped up with this state commercial malfeasance, which surround former President Jacob Zuma. So the quicker the matter is set down, the quicker we can commence proceedings. The indictment was formally instituted in 2007, and after going through many iterations, to the SCA, back to the SCA, to the Constitutional Court, I think we need some certainty and clarity on the commencement date of this trial. I don't think there's any reason to wait. There's 16 corruption charges. It's been widely publicized. Everybody knows about it. A book has even been written on it. I think that we can get down to business.
It's been an incredible push and pull game, and some of it on the part of the state, the other on the part of the former president. When you look at this case now, do you think that there could be any more reason for why it wouldn't go ahead?
Look, I think I think we have to maybe circle back to 2003. In 2003, there was a prima facie case against former President Jacob Zuma, as articulated by the former National Director of Public Prosecution, Bulelani Nuka. In 2007, with the assistance of the Scorpions, what we had is a trial-ready event. The Constitutional Court, the Supreme Court of Appeal said ensure that the indictment stood after its decision at the close of 2018. So I think, look, we are ready. 20 years of preparation, back to and froing on what is permissible, what is impermissible, should there be as permanent stay of prosecutions. I think the matters can commence. If the NPA is not sufficiently prepared, and it had a process, it had a period of approximately since 2007 to 2020 to prepare. They should be prepared. The former president's legal counsel should also be ready to commence proceedings on account that they want to have their day in court. So we need to get down, we need to know what happened. We need to know the outcome of it. It's material.
All right.